When installing a grinding wheel on an angle grinder, it's essential to take several precautions to ensure safe and effective operation. Here are some key precautions to consider. Check compatibility. Ensure that the grinding wheel is compatible with your angle grinder in terms of size, elbow size, and the maximum operating speed. Inspect the wheel. Before installation, carefully inspect the grinding wheel for any visible damage, such as cracked chips or uneven wheel. Check elbow size. Verify that the elbow size of the grinding wheel matches the spindle size of your angle grinder. Mounting hardware. Use the appropriate mounting hardware provided by the grinder manufacturer to secure the grinding wheel onto the spindle. Mounting direction. Install the grinding wheel in the correct orientation as indicated by the arrow or directional pins on the wheel. Tighten securely. Use the provided wrench to securely tighten the mounting nut or bolt, ensuring that the wheel is firmly seated on the spindle. Use the guard. Always install and adjust the safety guard provided with the angle grinder to cover at least 180 degrees of the grinding wheel. Perform a safety check. After installation, manually rotate the wheel to ensure that it spins clearly without any wobbling or rubbing against the guard or other components. Wear personal protective equipment. Always wear appropriate PPE, including safety glasses or goggles, hearing protection, gloves, and a dust mask or respirator when operating an angle grinder with a grinding wheel. By following these precautions when installing a grinding wheel on an angle grinder, you can help ensure safe and effective grinding operations while minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries.